Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my another video. I hope you all are doing well. So in this video I am going to talk about a new project on Sui blockchain. The name is native bitcoin yield up, and first of all there is 50-50 chances that they will do something, means that they will do some airdrop in future or not. So if you are getting earlier in this project, so obviously there are 50-50 chances and maybe you will get something good or you will get nothing. That's all. And first of all we need to know actually what to do in this project and what is their aim. So their aim is building the future of BTC on Sui network and yield on your Bitcoin in the most secure way within a single click. Also they provided their Discord server link here, and I must suggest that you need to join their Discord server because there are many roles are available, the earlier roles. If you can grab them, grab those roles, so obviously when they will airdrop something in future, so maybe you will get some benefit of grabbing those roles. So that's it. And another website you can see here, just click on that. Even I will share each and every link on my Telegram channel also, so don't forget to join the Telegram channel. So after coming to this site, just click on the try testnet, and this is the another website you will be redirected to. And now you just have to connect your Sui wallet here. So just connect your Sui wallet, any wallet you can connect, like which are supporting Sui, so like slash OKX, each and every wallet which are supporting Sui, so you can see. So now I have slash wallet, I am connecting that and just approve. So now you can see I have some testnet Sui. You must need to hold some testnet Sui, otherwise you can't perform any testnet task on Sui blockchain. So now you can see. And first of all, how to change your mode, like if you are on the mainnet mode, how to switch your uh, wallet to testnet mode. So first of all you need to click on the right bottom corner, the profile button here, and then click on the network tab and then click on the just testnet, and you will be switched to a testnet. Okay, so then you just need to enter some amount here, like 0.12 I am putting, and just buy the NBTC, and in return you will get some yield. And I think the dashboard will be they add in future. So now you can see another thing is going on. If you want to increase your chances to be whitelisted for BTC believers NFT, they are actually give away some believers NFT. If you want to participate in the giveaway, so obviously fill the form and just click on the OK. That's it for the testnet task. And now another social task you can see, the site name is Telegram. Also I will provide this link in the Telegram channel, and you can see the explore tab and click here, and then you can see many of the project are listed here. So just click on the native, and just you can see many tasks are available there, just complete one by one. Okay, so that's for this video. This is very earlier project, bro. So if you are joining this project, so do it at your own risk. I am not confirming that they will airdrop in future or not. Maybe you will get good, otherwise nothing. So that's it for this video. Bye bye.